Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. What we have studied in our last session students? Yes, tell me. Yes, we have completed our exercise 5.6. So today we are going to start one new concept, that is prime factorization. Okay, now just have a look. With the example, I am going to explain you what is prime factorization. Now do you all know that what is prime number? Yes, number which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Now what about prime factorization? Now factorize the number 21. This is one example they had given. Now it can be factorized as shown. Okay, now 21 we can split into 7 multiplied by 3, we get the 21, and also we can find out the factor of 21, that is 21 ones are 21. So we find the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now leave out 1 and 21 from the list of factors, that is, see, what are the factors of 21? Yes, 1, 3, 7 and 21. Now what we have to do? Leave the 1 and 21. Now what are the remaining factors? 3 and 7. Now these are what? Can you see? 3 is a prime number. Even 7 also prime number, because 3 is having only two factors, that is 3 itself and 1. Even 7 is having only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Isn't it? So here what is mean by prime factorization is a factorization in which every factor is a prime is called prime factorization of the number. So whenever we find out the factors of the number, so those numbers are prime, means every factor is a prime number. Okay, now you have seen in the number 21 that 1, 3, 7 and the 27. See, 27 is having factors, but in that if I leave 1 and 21, what are the remaining numbers? 3 and 7. 3 and 7 is what? Prime number. So a factorization in which every factor is a prime is called prime factorization of the number. Understood? Understood students? Yes. Now the prime factorization in this, now 21, isn't it? Now what are the numbers we have taken? 7 and 3 or 3 and 7. So 7 and 3 are the what? 3 multiplied by 7 we get 21, and the 7 and 3 are the prime factors of 21. Okay, understood? Now we will see the second example. Now we have to factorize 48. See, we can factorize this 48 in several ways. Okay, now first see, 48 can be split into 2 and 24, because 2 multiplied by 24 we get 48. So here 2 is what? 2 is a prime number, and 24 is what? Composite number, isn't it? Now I'll show you the second way. Now see, 48 we can split into 6 multiplied by 8, isn't it? Now here 6 again we can split up into 3 into 2, isn't it? So here we can say that both 6, even 8 also we can split up into 4 2s are 8. So here 6 and 8 are both composite number. Okay, now I'll show you the third. Now 48 again we can split up into 4 multiplied by 12, we get 48. So here 4 again we can split up into 2 into 2, 12 also we can split up into 6 into 2. So 4 and 12 are what? composite number, isn't it? And the last way, see here, again 48 we can split up into 3 multiplied by 16 means we get 48. Here you can see that 3 is a prime number and 16 is a composite number. Okay. So here all the composite numbers can be factorized further as shown below. Okay. So the ringed number are prime numbers. I'll show you here. Now we have seen here 2 multiplied by 24 is 48, isn't it? Now 24 again we can split up, isn't it? How we can split up? You can see here 24 will split up into 2 multiplied by 12 means we get 24. Now 2 is a prime number, we cannot go because 2 when we split up we get 1 2s are 2 only. So we have to stop here. Now 12 again we can split up in the factors tree. 2 multiplied by 6 means we get 12. Again 6 also we can split up, that is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now at the end you can see what are the prime numbers. Just take all prime numbers together. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. See 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Now when you multiply this all prime numbers you get the product. That is, see, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 3s are 48. Are you getting? Yes. I'll explain you with again with this number. Now you will understand. Now see, we have seen 48 can be split up into 3 multiplied by 16, but here 3 is a prime number and 16 is a composite number. But what we are doing? Prime factorization. In prime factorization each number is a prime number. Okay, but 16 is a not prime number, 16 is a composite number. So we have to split 16 till we should get every number has a prime number. So 16 can be split up into 2 multiplied by 8, we get 16. Now 2 is a prime number, we cannot go for the further, we have to stop here. Now 8 can be split up into 2 multiplied by 4, we get the 8. Again 4 can be split up into 2 into 2, we get 4. Now here what are the prime numbers? 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. So write 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now we will multiply. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. Are you getting? Yes? Clear? Yes. Now see the next one. Here also in this when we have split 48 we got 4 and 12. Now both we have, when we have done prime factorization of 48 we got 4 and 12, but 4 and 12 both are composite number, but we are finding prime number. So we need prime number. Now 4 can be split up into 2 multiplied by 2, we get 4. Now 2 and 2 is a prime number, we have to stop. Now 12 can be split up into 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. Now 6 again we can split up into 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. Now write all prime numbers together. 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Write 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. When you multiply you get again 48. Understood? Now last one we will see. See, also we have seen that 48 can be split up into 6 multiplied by 8, we get 48. But here also 6 and 8 both are composite number. So 6 again we can split up into 2 multiplied by 3, we get 6. 8 we can split up into 2 multiplied by 4, we get 8. Again 4 we can split up into 2 multiplied by 2, we get the 4. Now what are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. See here 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. When we multiply all the prime numbers we get the product, that is 48. Understood? Yes, very good. So 48 has been completely factorized. It has been expressed as a product of prime factors. So note that all combinations give the same set of the prime prime factors. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are there. Okay, 5 prime factors. In each set 5 are there. Okay, and same numbers also. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2 is there and 1 time 3 is there. See here also 1 time 3, 4 times 2. 4 times 2, 1 time 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 2, 1 time 3. Are you getting? Yes. So 48 is a completely factorized and it has been expressed as a product of prime factors. Means how we have expressed? This is whatever we have expressed, that is the product of given prime number. Understood? Clear? Yes. Now we will see the exercise 5.7. Okay. Now see. What is the question? Find the prime factorization of the given numbers by making the factors tree. Already we have studied about factors tree, isn't it? Now they had given in the fill in the blanks to the next we have to draw. Okay, we will solve now. Now what we can multiply with 2 to get the 48 students? Yes, you can do with division also. Now 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. See, 24 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? 48 product. 2 multiplied by 24, we get 48. Now how we can split up 24? Yes, 12 2s are 24. Isn't it? Again 2 is a prime number but 12 is a composite number. We want all prime numbers only. So again we need to split up 12. Yes. How we can split up? 6 2s are 12. Isn't it? Yes. Now what about 6? 6 also composite number. Again we need to split up. Now how we can? Yes. 2 3s are 6. Understood? Clear till here? Yes students? Yes, very good. Now next one. Now 150, how we can split up? 2 multiplied by what? We get 150. Yes, in that case what you have to do? Just write 150 and divide with the 2. 2 7s are 14. You get 1, remain here 0 and bring down the 0. 2 5s are 10. Isn't it? 0 0. So 75. You can cross check again. 75 multiplied by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. See 150 prime number, isn't it? Product factorization, prime factorization. Now how we can 75 split up into 3 multiplied by what? That we get 75. Then again go with the division. 3 2s are 6. 1 will remain, bring down 5. Then 15 is there. Yes. 3 5s are 15. 0 0. Then 25. Now how we can split up 25 into prime numbers only? Prime numbers. Yes. Tell me, where is 25? In 5 table, isn't it? 5 5s are 25. 5 is a prime number. This 5 also prime number because 5 factors are 1 and the number itself. Are you getting? Is that clear? Very good. Now we'll move to the third question. Now in these two questions they are given in the fill in the blanks. Now this third one we are going to do by our own. Now see how we can split up this both the numbers. See, always we have to start from 2 only. Okay. Now 2 multiplied by what? That we get 96. See, 2 4s are 8, 1 will remain, 2 8s are 16. You can cross check. When you multiply 48 multiplied by 2, you will get 96 only. Now 2 is a prime number, 48 is a composite number. Again I need to split up 48. Isn't it? So when I split up again with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. You can cross check. 24 multiplied by 2, you will get 48. How I am writing this? I am just dividing this both the numbers to get the number. Okay. Now again 2 is a prime. I need to split up 24. 2 12s are or 12 2s are 24. 2 is again prime. I need to split up 12 with 2 only. 2 6s are 12, isn't it? 2 is a prime number. Again I need to split up. Just match properly. Yeah? Okay. How I can? 2 3s are 6. In this way you have to make factors tree of given prime factorization. Okay? Clear? Understood? Okay. Last one. Again I'll explain you. See how we can split up 108. Do the division. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. You can cross check with the multiplication. 2 is a prime number, 54 is a composite number. Then again split up the 54 with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 will remain, 2 7s are 14. Now see, 27 is there. We cannot divide with 2, isn't it? So 7 is an odd number. I will try with 3 number now. Now in 3 table 27 is there? Yes. 3 9s are 27. Isn't it? Now 3 is a prime number. Now I need to split up 9. Tell me how I can? 3 3s are 9. See how easy? Understood? Clear? Yes. So here we have completed our exercise 5.7. Now we will start the next concept, that is prime factorization by division. Now look at the board, page number 73. Now we have seen in factors tree. Now how we can do the prime factorization by division method. Okay. So prime factorization can also be done by repeated division by the prime numbers as shown. So find the prime factorization of 20. Okay. If you want to find the prime factorization of 20 by the division, so what is the step 1? So first you need to divide 20 by the smallest prime number, that is 2. Okay. So what we get when you divide 20 with 2? 2 1s are 2, 0, bring down 0, we cannot divide, so give the 0, isn't it? So what is the quotient? 10. So write quotient on right side, okay, and divide with 2. So why we have written this 2 here, prime number? Because we are dividing 2 with 20. This is the quotient we got. Okay. Now again the next step. Now again divide 10, okay, by 2 only. So we get quotient 2 5s are 10. So now 5 is a prime number, isn't it? Now we cannot divide for the further. Therefore now what are the prime factorization? See, 2 2 5. You have to list out the prime numbers. 2 2 5. Now here see, 20 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So whenever you multiply these prime numbers, you should get the same product. So that answer is correct. Shall we check? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. See here, 20. So our answer is correct. Understood? Yes. Now we will see the second example. Second and third we will solve now with the given step. Now see, find the prime factorization of 30. Now we have to find out what are the prime numbers prime factorize of 30, isn't it? Now what is the step 1? Now 30 is divisible by, yes, tell me. First start with lowest prime number 2. Can be? Yes, we can. See, 2 1s are 2, so 1 will remain here. Then 2 5s are 10. So quotient is 15. Here see, the quotient is 15. So 30 is divisible by 2. So write here 2. The next step, 15 is divisible by dash dash, so we'll get the 15, we'll get the 5. So with which number we can divide? So we will get the quotient has a 5 student. See, next 3 5s are 15, isn't it? Because in 2 table 15 is not there, we cannot divisible by 2 to the 15, so we have to go with the next prime number, that is 5. So when we divide with 3 to the 15, we get the quotient has a 5. Now 5 is a what? Yes students, 5 is what? Prime number. So write here prime number. So prime factorization of 30 is equals to, what are the prime factorization of 30? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now cross check, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Understood? Yes. Now help me to solve the given example. Third one, find the prime factorization of 36. Now 36 is divisible by, now start with lowest prime number, that is 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2. See, I am doing directly here. You have to imagine that you are doing division here only, because you have studied the division in 3rd standard and in the 4th standard also I taught you in detail, isn't it? So here now it's time to do the division here itself by imagination. So 2 1s are 2. When I write 2, I have to write 1 has a quotient place, so I will write here 1. Then when I subtract 3 minus 2, I get 1. So here 1 will remain. Now what is here? 1 and 6. Yes, 16 is divisible by 2. At the 8th place, 8 times 2 means 16. Isn't it? So 16. So what is the quotient here? First 36 is divisible by 2 and the quotient is 18. Understood? Now dash dash is divisible by 2. Already they have divided with 2. Which number? 18. So write here 18 is a divisible by 2. The quotient is 9. Already they had given, isn't it? The next, 9 is divisible by dash dash. The quotient is 3. See which number we can divisible by, which number we can divide with 9 to get the quotient 3 students. See, 9 is a odd number, so we have to go with the next prime number, that is 3. See, 3 3s are 9, isn't it? So here write 3, the quotient is 3. So here the prime factorization of 36 are 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3. Okay, you can cross check. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Clear? Understood? Yes. Now it's time to solve our exercise 5.8. See, what is the question? Using the division method, find the prime factors of the following. Just now we have studied now in the same way. Question, first one I will solve. 50. So write 50 on right side and start dividing 50, because they say find out the prime factorization by division method. So start with lowest prime factor, that is 2. See, 2 2s are 4, 1 will remain when you subtract 5 minus 4. Now 1 and 0, 10, 2 5s are 10, isn't it? Now 25, see, we cannot 25 is not divisible by 2. We cannot go with 2, then go with the next prime number, that is 3. Yes, can we divide with 3? No, in 3 table 25 is not there. Then go with next prime number, that is 5. Yes, we can divide. 5 5s are 25. See, here I need to stop because I got the prime numbers, isn't it? So in this way we have solved this question. Now here 5 is what? At the end, this is prime number. So the prime factorizations are what are the prime factorization? See, 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So we get 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50. You can write here also, there also. Understood? Yes. Now I'll solve next one. Now third one I will solve. 27. See, write 27 on right side. Now see with 2. With 27 can be divisible by 2, students. It is divisible, but remainder will be there. So we should not go with 2. Then go with next prime number, that is 3. 3 9s are 27, isn't it? This is the quotient, divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. Then again 9 can be divisible by 3 3s are 9, isn't it? So here when we get 3 has a whatever the prime number at the end, we need to stop. So 3 is what? Prime number, isn't it? So what are the prime factorizations here? Prime factorization of 27. See, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Understood? Now next, I'll solve fifth one for you. See, 160 that given. Okay, 3-digit number. So write 160. See, start with lowest prime number, that is 2. 16 is there in 2 table, students? Yes, where it is? 2 8s are 16. Now 0 will remain, so 0 we cannot divide with 2, so write 0 as it is. Now next, again we can divide with 2 only. 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is. The next 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. The next 2 10s are 20. The next 2 5s are 10. See, now we are not going for the next step. Why? Because on the right side we got prime number. So when we get prime number, we need to stop. So here you can write at the end prime factorization of 160, isn't it? What are the prime factorization? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by how many times? 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 multiplied by at the end prime number, that is 5. You can cross check. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 5s are 160. Understood? Clear? Yes. And the sixth one you are going to solve by your own. Okay. Here today we have completed our exercise 5.7 as well as 5.8. Now what is your today's home assignment? Practice this both the exercise in your rub book today itself. We'll meet in our next session with the new concept. Till that time, take care. Bye bye and thank you.